I still don't know if this is a no-show approved lift, Addie.
This is not.
Hey, you're doing this doesn't mean you can ever yell at me for climbing on shelves again.
I bought a Chinese forklift. I may or may not have been doing some things that I wasn't supposed to be doing in the driveway and got it stuck. So, this is what it's looking like. John boy, how you gonna let me do that?
I left you unattended.
I know. So,
With me with four-wheelers, man.
yeah. We're gonna hook it up to the Kawasaki on 35s with the R.N.G clutch kit. See if we can get her pulled up out of there. All right, let's see. Give it a tug. Yeah, do that. A couple times. Well, guys, we got it out. Sorry I didn't video that. That got pretty intense. He had to tug me quite a few times with America. But what happened here is the landlord put in a drain. Must not have packed this all down and it just sunk. So I'm gonna have to get out here with a shovel and fix all this. But it's out, it's good now. Holy crap balls. Overall, it's a pretty cool forklift. I've been playing with it. It's actually comfortable to sit on, plenty big. It's not super small like I thought that it would be when it got delivered. This is as fast as it'll go. If I were to guess, this is 7 miles an hour. It's about as fast as you need it to go. And we'll just come up into the shop. Okay. Now, you know, here's your forward, reverse, neutral. Check this out. Nope, yep, America keys. This, turn signals. It came with turn signals. They work. It even came with a flashing light. I don't know if I got it flashing or not. Here. It's got high beams, low beams. They're sort of bright. I don't know if that thing's flashing. I might not have it flashing. Let's see. It's not flashing. It's magnetic. It's on. I don't know why. It was flashing when I bought it. But there's a switch here to turn it on. I don't know why it's not flashing. Maybe it's junk already. You open up the seat. Then you can place this lock right like so. And it came with a ton of extra parts. It came with new switches. It came with all this extra stuff. A gas pedal. Came with a new that. Came with a couple of new keys, some new relays. Came with a new master battery shut-off switch. It's got brand new batteries. This is a 60-volt system. It came with a charger. You just plug it into 110. You plug it in out here like a golf cart, and then it just charges. It came with a bunch of these. These are controllers. I don't know what they're for, but it came with a bunch of them. Extra. It came with a bunch of spare parts. One thing a lot of you guys don't know about these cheap Chinese machines is they actually use proprietary stuff that a lot of other forklift manufacturers use. You can get tires local to you. You can get hydraulics local to you. You can get those chains. All this stuff you can get pretty local and fix it. I will say this cart here will hold 4,000 pounds. It will do. I already picked up my race buggy. You can see my marks over there. Picked it up like it was not even there. That's probably 1,400 pounds there. And it's comfortable to sit on. It does have an e-brake, so it won't roll anywhere. The seat is actually, it's probably nicer than some of the seats you get on some of the new lawnmowers these days. Nice thick foam. It is comfortable to sit on, I'll tell you that. And I'm a big fat guy. It's constructed very well. Very well it's constructed. It came with forks. So I bought forks, better forks than those. These don't come with forks. I ordered a red one. They called me and said, hey, we don't have red, we got blue. But if you want blue, we'll upgrade it for free. And that's all they told me. I don't know what the upgrade was. Come to find out, the upgrade was forks. Not a big deal. I don't care about the color. It's just the red one is the one that I saw and clicked buy. So it doesn't matter if it's blue or not. And honestly, out of all the warehouses I've worked, all of our forklifts were either yellow or blue. So, yeah, doesn't matter. Let's test this thing out and see what it does.
It's hard telling with this one. By this one, I mean you.
What?
So you have a license for that thing?
I don't have no license for this. But they're not new to me. I used to run them all the time. Hey, John boy, you ready to see what this forklift will do? My cheap Chinese forklift? Let's see.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
I guess I better scoot it over, huh? Yeah, it's a little back heavy. A little bit heavy. Well, that, the forks could be a little wider. Got him! Watch, we're both gonna tip over.
Can you claim this on insurance?
What? I don't have, nope, there's no insurance coverage here. We'd probably get in trouble with this thing. Let's see. I got a bigger, better, badder plan. Now let's see if we get it out of there. Can you get it out of there? Can you get This is golden. This is golden. Dadgum, that thing turns good. What do you think, puppy? Hey, that thing turns pretty good. I didn't think it was gonna make it. I didn't think he was gonna make it either. I did dig up the plastics right here. I don't care. I bought it to abuse it and watch the internet yell at me. The only way I get paid is when they comment and yell at me and be dumb on there. It made it out of there. All right, what are we gonna lift up next?
I'll lay on it.
Okay,
Here, John.
get on there.
Oh man. We're looking for OSHA fines today.
Am I laying or sitting?
We can However.
I know I'm big, but damn.
I still don't know if this is a no-show approved lift, Addie.
This is not.
Hey, you're doing this doesn't mean you can ever yell at me for climbing on shelves again.
How high are you gonna go?
How high are you going to take me?
I don't know. It goes pretty good.
Let's do it.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, what's
Why not?
You fall and break a neck. I'm the one that did it.
Yay. Nobody knows anything, just me and you.
It's all on camera now.
The whole internet.
Well, you ain't uploaded it yet. We can dispose of that.
True.
How many times you gotta erase the SD card before it's completely blank?
I got it. Okay, what are we gonna lift? What are we? I mean, yeah, that U10 is heavy. This thing claims it
Right.
will lift 4,000 pounds. That thing, I don't know. With you in it, it's got to be somewhere around 2,600.
Lift
Something
my
like
car.
that.
All right.
And then by accident, drop.
Nope, can't do that.
I don't know if you got big enough forks to lift her car safely.
I need a new car, John.
Well, I know, but there's no insurance involved except for yours.
Okay, I got full coverage and gap. Let's go.
Uh-oh. It's gonna try and lift the boom box.
I'll try to.
Touch your forks down there. Yep, more. Might grab something there if you're.
I don't want to damage my stereo.
Imagine that. There's almost as much weight in the back as there is in the front.
I know. Well, that did that. I mean, I know that car don't weigh a lot.
Oh yeah.
It slid the rear end. I'm done. I don't want this thing laying on me.
You don't have your safety belt on?
What?
It's still in the plastic.
What? Well, guys, I don't know. I lifted the U10. That's probably the heaviest thing I'll ever really lift with it. Except for when we moved my dyno. That dyno weighs just a hair less than that U10. So, I don't know. If there's something you want to see us do or lift with this thing, and let us know in the comments below. We've been playing with it quite a bit. I ain't even charged it since we got it. And check this out. It's got 71% battery on it, and we've been playing with it, and ain't put it on the charger not a lick of once. The charger is still brand new under here, just as I showed you in the video here. Hey guys, I'm like out of ideas. This isn't my cup of tea, so.
My brain's cooking, but I don't know if the landlord would like it.
What?
He put us a bunch of Legos down there.
That's true. He did put us but those only weigh about 1,000 pounds.
Yeah, 1,000, 1,500, something like
Yeah.
that. Two grand maybe.
Yeah. The brain isn't thinking here. I don't know. What do you want to see us do with it? Are you interested in seeing these Chinese things? Maybe I'll get a Chinese Bobcat. Maybe I'll get other Chinese stuff, because after all, when I get a property, I'm going to need this stuff. So maybe I should get it now and play with it on video so I know how to run it. These I know how to run. Used many of them. May or may not have broken many of them, but I've used them. John boy, what do you do with forklifts?
I don't know nothing about forklifts.
Uh-huh. How many times you broke the gear selector doing reverse burnouts?
I've never done anything like that.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. He has.
Sounds like you had a life.
Yeah.
Back when things were more fun.
Well, hey, leave us comments, I guess. Let us know. Let us know what you want to see us do.
Did you
I don't know. I'm trying to... Maybe I'll conjure up some kind of stuff to lift. I don't know. We'll find something. Maybe we'll find a bunches of something and throw it on skids. I don't know. But it seems like... Let me see.
think you need those because you almost hit me.
Maybe, just maybe. I don't know, but seriously, we've been playing with it off camera and moving stuff around, just nonchalantly playing with it, and it's like it moves anything without struggle. It's all electric. The battery seems like it would last a whole day's worth of like non-stop work. I kind of feels that way because I've had it a few days now and we've been moving it all around and doing all kinds of
How
stuff.
many times you get it stuck in the driveway too?
And I did get it stuck in the driveway, and I probably used a lot of that battery power trying to get it out. So
Free spinning torque.